What's the meaning of balls? Balls. Balls.
Balls. Balls. The term balls can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. It can refer to a round object used in games such as tennis, football or basketball. In slang terms, it can also refer to courage or bravery, as in someone having big balls. On the other hand, it can also be a vulgar term for testicles. The use of the term in this context is considered offensive and inappropriate in most settings. Overall, the meaning of balls varies depending on the context and should be used with caution to avoid offending others.